Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you must be doing good, inshallah. I am here with another short video with ample of sentences or phrases to enrich your vocabulary. Honestly, guys, this is the smartest way to enhance the vocabulary. Not only listen these videos, but also use these phrases and sentences in your daily conversation to make your argument more impressive. So let's start today's video. If you are praising someone and say you are beautiful, but do you know there are many other effective ways to say you are beautiful, and these are: you are gorgeous, you are so adorable, you are stunning, you look so radiant, you are beyond gorgeous, your beauty is incomparable, you look like an angel. So these are ample sentences through which you can make your dialogue more effective and more impressive. That's all. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like the video.